and how to get started with Math 600. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the left and click on the syllabus link. And then we're going to click on the syllabus. And this will give you your course description. This course is going to talk about the application of descriptive and inferential statistics methods necessary for understanding, evaluating, and transforming research findings into practice. So this is my information here, my office hours and tutoring hours. I'll click on these Zoom links to go to those. The best way to reach me is via email, especially since I won't be in the office much this semester. So email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now you can read the course outcomes. The textbook for this course is Statistics for Evidence-Based Practice in Nursing. You can get this through a bookstore or Amazon or wherever you want to get the textbook. For technology requirements, make sure you get IBM SPSS standard version. The newest version is 27. If you want to get one of the older versions, you can, but just make sure it's the standard version because the base version will not be enough for this course. And I recommend getting the student grad pack version because this one's cheaper, and you can find links for that in the Getting Started link, which I'll go over later in the video. For evaluation, 40% will be your SPSS assignments, 15% will be concept quizzes, your midterm project will be 20%, and final project will be 25%. For the policies, attendance policy, just make sure you're signing in and doing your work. Make sure you're not plagiarizing, not copying work. Grading should be the same across the college. For accommodations, if you have accommodations, please reach out to the health and wellness, and then we will get the copy for them. For learner support, you can look at all of these resources if you need help with tutoring, the library for your research, learner support. We do have a campus counselor. If you need any of those resources, you can reach them all here. And at the bottom, you can see the topical outline. This is what we will be covering each week. The first couple weeks should just be review and an introduction to SPSS, and then we'll get into some more advanced tests towards the second half of the semester. So that's the syllabus. So once you're done looking at the syllabus, I'm going to go back into our Getting Started. If you want to look at the weekly course calendar, that's also here, and this will just show you what we will be doing each week. So here's our schedule. You can see when everything's due. So everything's going to be due on the Sunday of each week. So you'll have a homework and a quiz each week. And then you'll have the midterm project and the final project. Those weeks, those will be the only things due. And then what you're going to be doing each week is, first thing you'll do is you'll go and read through each of the modules. And I have notes for you guys to fill out to help you out with those. And this will also tell you which chapters to read. So you'll read these chapters in the book, go through the modules, and then you can do your homework and your quizzes. So I'm going to go back in and go back to our Getting Started link. So this is where the course video was. This gives you more information about your textbook, some links to purchase SPSS, and then this goes a little bit deeper into what your assignments are about. So once you've gone over all of this information, you can go into learning materials. This is where all of the information for your course will be. So it's split down into weeks. So I'm going to go into week 1 to show what you're going to do the first week. Up at the top again has that course schedule, so you can see what's due this week. And we're going to click on this. It will be each section, so chapter 1 of your textbook, chapter 2 of your textbook, and chapter 3 of your textbook. So if you click on this, this will give you all the information you need for the first chapter. So if we go to our first chapter, so this is just some information. If you click on this chapter 1 content guide, you can this will be a notes outline that can help you while you're filling this out, so you can see these are just some notes. If you want to add notes, it's an Word document, so you can type in more if you want. And then there's some videos, so you can watch the videos and go through, and that'll be your course information for the week. So you'll read the chapter, read this as a summary, and then you should be ready to do your homework. So some of the weeks will only have one section. This one has 3 because it's kind of a review. So you'll go into the second one, and then you'll do the second, watch the videos, take your notes, and then once you get to all 3 of them, then you'll have your week 1 assignment. So this, you'll just fill it out and then submit it into the Dropbox. So if you click on this, you can submit it here. So you just type it out, save it to your computer, and then upload it there. And then you'll have a short content quiz at the end. So that's how every week should work. So make sure you click on each of these modules, go through the information, do your homework assignment, take your quiz, and then you should be done with week 1. And then that will be everything for that. So that's all how the first week will work, and then you'll just go through to do the same thing for each week. If you have any questions, you can put them onto the discussion board, or you can email them to me. If you have a basic question that you want to ask your classmates, you can put it into discussion board if you want to. But if you have a specific question about a concept or a question on a homework, please email me, and then I will get back to you. So you can see you'll also have to do your introduction discussion, so make sure you do that. And other than that, that's pretty much it for the course. So please let me know if you have any questions, and good luck getting started with Math 600.